Be the solution. This is the journey, day 28, and we can't do it for you. Yesterday, we had our sales meeting. We always have our sales meetings on Friday at 2 o'clock, and we talked about why you are doing what you're doing, why you are selling real estate, and what is getting in your way of meeting the goals that you want for yourself professionally that will change you and your family's life. And we discussed what could get in the way, what has gotten in the way, why we haven't reached the commitments that we wanted to, that we did commit to. And I brought up me not drinking wine. I said, if I can't not drink wine, then how the heck am I going to lead you? Meaning, the whole experiment that I'm doing is greater than just not having wine. There's a bigger reason behind it. We all have the power to be the solution and to change our life. We talked about the real estate industry. We talked about the market. After we talked all about our personal things, we talked about what's going on. And this time is not for the faint of heart. We got to do the work. And somebody had said, yeah, she makes it look so easy. You know why I make it look easy? Because it's not been 3 years. It's been 31 years of being in professional sales. 3 decades. How many conversations have I had? How many times have I met with people, whether I worked with them or not? You meet with a lot of people that you don't even work with. But I said, I can't do the work for you. I can't make the calls for you. I can't memorize the I can't memorize the words for you to say. The only way to get better is to do the work. There's no way around it. There's no magic pill. There's no magic formula. It's doing the work. Having grit, a strong work ethic, integrity, humility, being humble, being kind, and just getting up and doing it no matter what. So a lot of times what I see is, okay, well, I committed to do X, but it's like 5 or 6 o'clock and I got to get going, or you got to pick, get up earlier to start your day, work later at the end of the day to get the work done that is needed. The excuses I ran out of time is bullshit. It's bullshit. Because last week I stayed in the office. I had things to do. Tuesday night I was supposed to go to singing. Didn't do it because I didn't finish my work. So I stayed till 7:30. Wednesday night, I was supposed to go. Where was I supposed to go Wednesday night? Somewhere that I did not make it to. Oh, I know. Entrepreneurs Club table at the Union League, which I love going to. We sit around, people have drinks or not, and you have food and you talk about, it's for anybody that's on payroll. So we talk about solutions as an entrepreneur. But what I needed to do was more pressing and it trumped that because that's fun. It's easy to say, let me go at 5:30. I couldn't. I stayed till 7:30. Thursday, same thing. I had something to go to. Again, I did not go to it. I then stayed at the office. That's right. We have dinner Thursday night, and I know I'm going to make a good reservation for us, Peter. Celebrate that great deal that just closed for you and Ann and Mama Ty. And I sold you that parcel, I don't know, for 12 years ago, and then next door neighbor came available and you bought that, and now you probably made 5 times your money. And that's, man, we're not going to be able to get that, Peter, by Thursday. That'll have to be a different time. because it takes longer to get that resi, but we will do it this summer for sure. Oh, I get a better place actually that we'll go to. I'll talk about that later. We go back to doing the work because there's nothing that replaces, can't make the calls for you, can't learn the dialogue. I can't actually, sit there and have the conversation for you. You have to learn how to talk to people. And more importantly, that you have to learn how to listen. And since I've done thousands of videos, thousands of listing, thousands, I mean, when I say thousands of listing appointments, thousands and thousands and thousands, and you get really good because you've done the work. There's nothing that replaces it. So can't do it for you. I wish I could, I wish I could do it for you, but that was not going to do anything for you. Actually, it's only going to hurt you. So what I talk about is being the solution. You are the solution. You have the power to change your life. It's all about you and your choices that you make. I could have chose to go to those 3 events this week. I chose to stay in the office and continue making the calls, and sat on Thursday I hit 101 dials. Peter, I have done thousands of listing appointments, 100%, thousands over the last 20 years. I've walked through probably 20,000 houses, too many. Anyway, the point of this is that we have to take responsibility and accountability for what we want to achieve in our life. And there's no excuse not to do it. I get up early, and if you can't get up early and start your day, then you finish later. The market is requiring it right now. This isn't Maria saying, oh, you have to do this, you have to do that. No, the market's requiring it. I personally closed 16 transactions in the month of May. I had a good month. I made a nice living in the month of May. And I will continue that on because I've set a minimum standard for myself, and I will not go below what that minimum standard is. And in fact, next year, I'm going to times that in half, 1.5, because I have things that I want to do. I have people that I want to help. And the more that I can do, the more that I can lead my people to the highest level. Because people come for, you can go anywhere and work. And you can go anywhere and make more money than where you are now. But the culture that we have within our organization and being a family, it took years and years and years for me to get to this. Because before I was like a nut. Ambition, crazy ambition. But I'm excited. So let's do the work, everybody. Because you know what? Work works. Work works. I've been saying that for 18 years. Work works. Do the work. Be the solution. You are the solution. Today is day 28. That would be 4 weeks. No wine. I'm getting ready. We're leaving to go to a concert. And it will be wine-free, alcohol-free. So I'm continuing the dry spell for a bit longer. I'm not sure. Haven't decided yet. Feeling good. Having a good time.